is this your first time using a tutor? Okay, good. So, what I'd like to do first then is just tell you a little bit about myself, and I'd like for you to tell me a little bit about yourself, and then I'll just kind of explain the process, okay? Okay, great. So, my name is Anna, and I have been a tutor now for about 5 years. Yes, and I tutor students of all ages and across all subjects. Yes. Yes. And I absolutely love it. I love how you really get to know the student one-on-one, and it's so personalized, like we're going to help you learn exactly how you need to learn, okay? Great. So tell me a little bit about yourself. So what's your name? Okay, nice, very nice name. And how old are you? What grade are you in? Okay. Okay, very good. Nice. And so, what are some of your favorite subjects? What are some of your least favorite subjects? Yep, that was always my favorite as well. Oh, nice. Very nice. Yeah, that one is tricky. So, do you find that some of your least favorite subjects may be the subjects that you struggle with a little bit? Yeah. And are your favorite subjects maybe some of the ones you feel that you're better at? Yep. That doesn't surprise me. I think most of us are the same way, and a lot of us enjoy studying more for the courses that we already understand the material, and when we don't understand the material, it's a lot harder for us to pick up that book and start studying. Yeah. So basically, that's exactly what I'm here for, is to help you pick up that book and start studying, and hopefully grasp it a little bit more so that you are able to understand and enjoy studying more on your own. Yes. So, what subject can I help you with? Math. Okay. So, that is a tricky one for a lot of people, and I never want you to feel like you're alone or that you're not smart enough. Everybody learns at a different pace and in a different way. We're not all the same, and in school we tend to be treated kind of like cookie cutter and like we're all exactly the same, which is not true at all, okay? We can't kind of be pushed into a box that is a classroom and expected to all get the same results, because we're all different. We all need to be taught in different, unique ways, and so what we're gonna do is we're gonna figure out the way that you need to be taught and what it is that you struggle with, and we're going to help improve that, okay? Okay, good. So, can you just tell me a little bit about what you're learning right now in math? Okay. I'm just gonna write this down, okay? Okay. Yep. Okay. Anything else? Okay, yeah. Okay. Well, that is a good place to start. Now, since this is our first session together, what I'd like to do is kind of start off with the basics, because sometimes the issue in picking up the material is a lack of strong foundation, of the basics that come before it. So, what I'd like for us to do together for this session is to just master the basics, make sure you've got it all down pat and that you have that strong foundation to start learning your current material. Is that okay? Okay, great. Alright. So, I guess we might as well just do a little bit of a test on your basic math, and make sure that you are strong in those areas and that you don't need any further work there. Okay? So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just give you an equation, a basic equation, and I would like for you to give me the missing number. Okay, so we'll do like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and we'll do let's say 10 of each. Okay, so first off, we'll start off with addition. So I'll give you the equation and you finish it for me. Give me the answer. Okay. Alright, so, and then if you don't mind, I'll just be keeping track of how you do. Alright. So, question number 1. Let's do 5 plus 5 equals 10. Good job. You have one correct already. Let's do 7 plus 4 equals 11. Good job. You got that one too. Number 3. Let's do 3 plus 8. 11 as well. Good job. You're doing really well so far. Alright, now how about we make them a little bit more difficult, just because you're doing so well, okay? So let's do 21 plus 13 equals 21 plus 13. It is 34. That's right. Good job. You're really good at the addition. Okay. And how about 17 plus 14? 17 plus 14. 31. Good job. Number 6. How about 22 plus 29? Twenty-two plus 29. 51. Good job. That is correct. Okay, and number 7. How about 12 plus 15? 12 plus 15. Very good. 27. Good job. And number 8. Let's do 101 plus 155. 101 plus 155 equals 256. Correct. Good job. You're 8 for 8 so far. Okay, and number 9. Let's do 77 plus 44. 77 plus 44. That's right, it is 121. Correct. Good job. And last one, let's do 65 plus 35. 65 plus 35 equals 100. Perfect. Excellent. 10 out of 10. Perfect score. Good job. Alright. So I'm just keeping your score on this piece of paper. So now let's do subtraction. So subtraction can be a bit trickier, especially in your head. But we'll start off with some easy ones, okay? Okay, so number 1. Let's do 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Good job. 6 is correct. So number 2, let's do 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 equals 6 again. Good job. Let's do 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3 equals 8. Good job. Okay, number 4. Why don't we do 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9 is 8. Good job. Good job. Okay. Number 5. Let's do 23 minus 12. 23 minus 12 equals 11. Perfect. job. Number 6. How about we go for 30 minus 21. 30 minus 21 is 9. Good job. Okay. Let's make the numbers even bigger. How about 42? 42 minus 27. 42 minus 27. 42 minus 27. So, if it helps you, you can take away 20 from 42, and that is 22, and then take away 7 from 22, and that is 15. Perfect. 15 is correct. And now number 8. Let's do 66 minus 19. 66 minus 19. So if you want to do that trick again, you can take away 10 from 66, and that is 56. Take away 9 from 56, and that is 47. Great job. Okay. Next, number 9. Number 9. Why don't we do 33 minus 27? 33 minus 27. So you can take away 20 from 33 and then 7. Or alternatively, you can ask yourself, what do I need to add to 27 to get 33? So to get to 30, you would add 3. And then to get to 33, you would add another 3. So 6 in total. 6 is correct. Good job. And last one, number 10. Why don't we do 99 minus 70? 99 minus 70. So 9 minus 7 is 2, and 9 minus 0 is 9, so 29. Good job. Subtraction is done. And you did really well. You should be really, really proud of yourself, okay? Alright, so next, why don't we do multiplication? So, start off with a bit of easier multiplication, and then we'll dive into some more advanced. Okay. Alright, so, first question. How about 2 times 2 equals what? 4. Good job. And number 2. Let's do 3 times 3. 9. Good job. Good job. Number 3. Why don't we do 5 times 4? 5 times 4. 20. Perfect. Good job. Okay, 4. Let's do 6 times 4. either memorize it, or you can say if 5 fours are 20, then 6 fours are 20 plus 4, which is 24. Good job. And number 5. How about 7 times 3? 7 times 3. 7 times 3 equals 21. Good job. And number 6. Let's do 7 times 7. 7 times 7 equals 7 times 7. 49. Good job. And then why don't we do 7 times 8? So same as we did with the 4s. 7 times is 49. So 7 8 times is 49 plus 7, which is 56. Good job. Very good. Now number 8. Let's do 8 times 8. 8 times 8. And we can do the same thing again. If 7 times 8 is 56, then 8 times 8 is 56 plus 8, which is 64. Good job. 64. Okay, number 9. Let's make them a little bit more tricky. How about 11 times 10? 11 times 10. So we know 10 times 10 is 100. So 11 times 10 is 100 plus 10, which is 110. Perfect. And last one. Let's do 13 times 7. Okay? 13 times 7. 13 times 7. So we have 10 times 7, which is 70. And then another 3 times 7, which we did before and said it's 21. So 70 plus 21 is 91. Perfect. Very good. Great. So we have 10 out of 10 for multiplication. You're absolutely killing it so far. You should be really, really proud of yourself. So, are we ready to move on to division? Which is probably the hardest one. Yeah, okay. So, division. We'll do 10 division questions, and same with the others. I will say the equation and then you will give me the answer, okay? Alright, so number 1. Let's start off with some easy ones. Let's do 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2. Yep. 2. Good job. Number 2. Let's do 5 divided by 5. 1. Good job. And what about 7 divided by 1? 7 divided by 1 is 7. Good job. 4. let's do 10 divided by 0. 10 divided by 0 is how many? 0. Good job. That one's kind of like a trick question a little bit. Okay, number 5. Let's do 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Good job. You got this. You're on a roll so far. So number 6, how about 30 divided by 6? 30 divided by 6. Yes. 5 again. Good job. And 7. Let's do 200 divided by 10. 200 divided by 10 is how many? 200 divided by 10 is how many? 20. Perfect. And what about 200 divided by 5? 200 divided by 5 is 40. Right. Going to be twice as many as if you divide it into 10. Yep. Okay, number 9. How about we do 360 divided by 6. 360 divided by 6 is how many? 60. Good job, 60. So you say that 36 divided by 6 is 6. And so since you have 360, an extra 0, you just add an extra 0 onto 6 to make 60. So good job. Alright, and why don't we do 810 divided by 9. 810 divided by 9. I'll give you a hint. It is the same strategy as number 9. 810 divided by 9 is 90. Good job. So you divide 81 by 9 and you get 9, and then you add the extra 0 to get 90. Great job. So you are so talented, and I know that you're going to move on to a little bit more advanced math with no issues at all. I just want to stress that we're going to take everything totally at your pace, whatever's comfortable for you, so you just let me know. And in our next session, we'll move on a little bit more towards a little bit maybe kind of what you're working on right now. And I know you're going to do perfectly fine, so don't worry. Okay? Alright, so would you like to say same time next week? Yeah, okay, let me just write that down so I don't forget. Great. Well, thank you so much. You did such a great job, and I hope that you leave our session today feeling confident and bright, because you are, okay? Great. Alright, so I'll see you next week.